In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an EM dash in Canva. Whether you're designing a sleek presentation or crafting a compelling post, adding an EM dash can enhance your text's flow and emphasis. So, let's dive into the simple process that will help you incorporate an EM dash into your Canva project smoothly. To start, you'll need to access the special characters available to you on your device. The first thing you need to do is press both the Windows icon key and the period or dot key simultaneously on your keyboard. This combination will bring up the emoji and symbol menu right on your screen. It's a handy feature that you might already use to add emojis to your projects, but today we're going to focus on finding our EM dash. Once you have that menu open, take a closer look at the options available. You'll notice several different tabs along the top of this menu. For our purposes, you need to navigate to the Symbols tab. This tab is like a treasure chest of special characters that you don't usually find on your basic keyboard. If you haven't used it before, you might find it interesting to browse through what's available, as these symbols can be useful for a variety of design needs. With the correct tab open, you should see various categories of symbols on the left or top, depending on your settings. Our next step is to focus on the section labeled General Punctuation. This particular section houses punctuation marks that are equally as important as the more familiar comma and period. It's also where we'll find our desired EM dash. After selecting General Punctuation, you'll need to visually scan through the options until you locate the EM dash icon. If you're unsure, an EM dash typically looks like a longer version of a dash or hyphen. It's longer than an in dash as well, and is notably used to indicate a break in thought or to set off parenthetical statements. Once you find it, all it takes is a simple click to highlight it. Congratulations, you've selected the EM dash. Now, to incorporate it into your Canva design, simply paste it into the text box where you need it. This will ensure your text looks polished and professional, enhancing readability and impact. By following these steps, adding an EM dash to your Canva projects becomes a quick and simple task. Remember, these dashes can make a big difference in how your audience perceives your message, allowing for clearer communication and a more visually appealing layout. So the next time you're in Canva, don't hesitate to give your text that extra punch with an EM dash. Happy designing, and I look forward to seeing how you use this in your upcoming projects.